Hi guys, this is the UleFone Armor 17 Pro and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So we should first open the settings application and then tap to more networks and connection. Then click to connection preferences and tap to NFC section. Here you will see NFC switcher, so just to activate this option we should tap on the switcher to turn it on or to turn it off. Also we can switch the payment method, so to use Google Pay as default or another application, or to switch the Google Pay to another app. So also we got one more way how we can do that. Just open the control panel and somewhere here you should find now NFC icon. In my case it's here, so just to activate NFC or to turn it off we should use this icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.